Yes, good morning, children. Today we can start a new lesson, isn't it? Then you know what is the name of the new lesson, children? That is a trip to Bhopal. A trip to Bhopal. Children of the school are going to a trip, that is to the Bhopal. They are going they're going to a picnic from the school. Okay, then the children are very excited. Now you are going to a picnic, you are also very excited, isn't it? If you are going to a picnic, then you are also very excited, isn't it? Because we want to know what are the things we want to know when we are going to a picnic, children. When we are going to a picnic, then what we want to know? What we want to know? Yes, we want to know, the teachers want to know how many children are going, how many, what are the number of the children going to the trip and number of teachers going to the trip and where are they going and how many buses are needed, isn't it? How many buses are needed and how many seats in a bus, how many seats in a bus according to the seats in a bus and number of children, then we want to know how many buses are needed, isn't it? So, and what are the things we want to take from the home when you are going to the picnic, isn't it? You have to take your water bottle, snacks, dress, and you want to get it the permission of the parents, and you have to take the permission letter from the parents and cash from the parents, isn't it? These things are you want to know, and teachers want to know how many children are going, how many buses are needed, how many seats in the buses, and so many other things also. Okay, so from this chapter we want to study calculations. You have to study many calculations from this chapter, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Okay, then we can start the lesson. Yes, listen here, children. Today Sugantha is very excited. Sugantha, that is a child of that school. She is very excited because most of the children or all the children are going to the trip from the school to Bhopal. Because all the children from the most of the children, not all the children, most of the children, but here today all the children are going to Bhopal, a trip with their teachers. Yes, Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Ragesh are talking about the number of buses needed. Yes, they are talking about how many number of buses needed to go to the picnic. They want to know. Yes, then Miss Meenakshi, we will need 4 buses. Then teacher is saying that is we need 4 buses. Then sir is telling Mr. Ragesh, I think we need at least 5. He is telling we need at least 5 buses. And Miss Meenakshi, each bus has 50 seats. Yes. What is the number of seats in a bus, children? 50 seats in one bus. Number of seats, that is 50. And here let us see how many children are going. Then we know the number of seats in a bus, that is 50. Then we want to know how many children are going to the trip. Then number of children we want to know. So you look here, children, in class 1 first standard 33 children are going to the trip. From first standard 33 children are going to the trip, and from second standard 32 children, and third standard 42 children, fourth standard 50 children, and from fifth standard, that is 53 children are going to the trip. Then we can find out this first standard to fifth standard number of children already given there. How many children are going from each class? That already given. From that you can find out what is the total number of children going to the trip. That is the total number of children going to the trip. That means you want to add it, isn't it? Here addition is needed because number of children in each class they are already given. So number of children, total number of children we want to know from first standard to fifth standard. That is number of children in each class given, then you have to add that number, isn't it? So addition is suitable here. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, that is 10, and carrying 1, that you can write it here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 5, 210. Then how many children are going to the trip, children? That is 210 10. Then first question, so there are a total of dash children are going. Then you can write it the 210 children. Yes, number of children, write it, number of children going to the trip is equal to going to the trip, that is 210, isn't it? That is 210 children are going to the trip. Okay. Then second question, if they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? If they get, yes, if they get 4 buses, number of buses, that is 4 buses. If they get 4 buses, then how many children will get it seats? How many children will get it seats? Look here, 4 buses already there. Then what is the number of seats, children? Number of seats in one bus is, number of seats in one bus, that is 50. 50 children can sit in one bus. 50 children will get the seat in one bus. And if the number of buses is 4, then how many children will get it the seat means you want to multiply that, isn't it? Number of children in number of buses into number of seats. Number of seats in a bus into number of buses. Then you will get it. How many children will get it the seats? Number of children get the seat. Number of children get seats is equal to, yes, number of seats in the bus, number of seats divided by number of buses. That means 50, not division, number of seats in a bus into number of buses. That means 50 into 4 is equal to 200 children. 200 children will get it the seats, because the number of seats in one bus, that is 50, and number of buses, that is 4. Then in 4 buses, then 200 children will get it the seats. So you can write it the 200. And next one, will there be any children left without seats? Will there be any children left it without seats? Any children without seats, children? Yes, total number of children going to the trip, children. What is the total number of children going to the trip? That is 210. Isn't it? 210 children are going to the trip, and number of children getting the seats, so that is 200, isn't it? Because 50 seats in a bus and 4 buses already, 50 into 4, 200. So 200 children will get it the seats, and remaining 10 children remaining without seats. 10 children left it without seats. So you can write it here, 10 children, isn't it? Then look here, take next page. In that, waiting for the buses. Now children already reached there, and they are going, they are ready to go to the trip, and they are waiting for the buses. And Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. Then they are already excited, isn't it? If we are also on that time excited, isn't it? Here, Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them. Run, grab the window seats." When the bus is coming, then 4 buses already there, then bus is coming. When they are seeing the bus is coming, then they are excited, and she shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them. Run, grab the window seats." Window seats pidikanayitte, yes, grab the window seats. And many children start jumping in excitement. Yeah, most of the children are jumping in excitement, but ma'am told, "Stop. What is this? These buses are so small. Stop it, children." Then this bus is very small. Now there is an argument. There is an argument with the bus owners or bus authorities, and the teacher and driver also talk about that. There is an argument. What is the argument? We told you to bring big buses. We told you, the teacher told to driver, we told you to bring big buses. But then the driver is telling, we did not have enough big buses. We did not have enough big buses, so we got many small buses, mini buses. We have mini buses, there we have no big buses. Then each mini bus can take, and the driver is telling, each mini bus can take 35 seats. In one mini bus, then 35 seats in mini buses. Then how many mini buses are needed to the trip? Then the question is, next question, how many mini buses needed? How many mini buses needed to the trip? Needed to the trip. How many mini buses needed to the trip? Yes, what is the total number of children? What is the total number of children ready to go to the trip, children? 210 children are ready to go to the trip, isn't it? Then what is the number of seats in a mini bus, children? That is 35. Then you want to know how many buses needed to go to the trip. Then what do we do, children? Here, multiplication, addition or division, which one is suitable? Yes, look here. Number of seats in a bus, number of seats in mini bus, that is 35, isn't it? 35. And number of children went to the trip, go to the trip. Number of children go to trip, that is 210. So how many buses needed, that we have to calculate from this. We have to calculate how many buses needed from this, because the number of children is 210 and number of seats in mini buses, that is 35. So we want to divide this number of children divided by number of seats in a bus. Number of children divided by number of seats in a bus. Yes, that is divided by number of seats, that is 210 divided by 35. That means you have to divide 210 by 35. How many 35s in 210, children? That is, we can take it 6. 6. If we take 6, 6 5s are 30, remaining 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 201. Then 210. Then how many buses needed? 6 buses needed. 6 buses needed. Okay, children. Then everyone want to read this lesson and find out the answers once more. Okay. Bye, children.